we put more meat on the grill so we can cook some more. Because we're going to have to make a little bit more meat for everybody. Hello everybody, we're going to be cooking some food today. We're going to make some Philly cheesesteak. Putting some butter on our grill just to get a little bit more seasoning on there. Now this is what we're doing. There's our meat. We already have it open. Want some eggs, we're going to make eggs. We have all our fixings here. There's our onion, our red pepper and orange pepper, our mushroom, our mayo, our lettuce. We're just going to make this the way we want to do it. Stay tuned, guys. There we go. We're putting our Philly cheesesteak stuff on there. Our meat. There we go. Some sirloin beef finely sliced. Gonna let that cook and we can cut it up. Cutting our veggies so we can put on the grill. Because Philly always tastes good with veggies on it. You know, with all the onion and the bell peppers and the... You can use green pepper. We're using red and orange pepper. We like that better. So Jose really knows how to cut his veggies. So if y'all are liking this video, go like and comment. Jose's gonna cook some good food today for you guys. Look at all the colors.
Onion pepper.
Onion. There we go. Gonna put it on the grill. We'll cut the mushrooms in a moment. We're stirring in all our vegetables here. We gotta start turning the meat, gotta start cutting it up. And it's already cooking. You just kind of cook it frozen. And it cooks very well. There we go. This is our spin-off on how we cook it, so hope you guys are enjoying this. Gonna let this cook more. We're gonna be cooking a little bit more so we can make more. Alright, so we put more meat on the grill so we can cook some more. Because we're gonna have to make a little bit more meat for everybody. You see how he's cutting it up. We're making some cheesesteak. There's all the meat. We'll season it up here in a little bit. Our veggies are right there. We have the Philly cheesesteak right here. So now we got our mushrooms cut up. We're going to put this in with our peppers and our onions so we can start putting things together.
Yes,
Putting seasoning. Yep. We're gonna season everything up. It's an offer seasoning for the meat and for all the vegetables. It's gonna start coming together in a little bit. Now we're going to mix everything together. Now we're putting our bread on there so it can get toasted so we can start making the sandwiches.
Ahí tengo la carnita. Pero yo voy a echarle huevo al mío.
He wants to put eggs in his. There's the fresh eggs, guys. Well, we already did our Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. We brought them in and we're going to put some mayo. Now again, this is the way we like it. So we're going to show you how we do it. So we put mayo on it. We're already running out. But don't forget, guys, to go like and comment, subscribe. And if you're liking this video, make sure you comment. Tell us what y'all think. We made some Philly cheesesteak sandwiches. We have put provolone, we put red peppers and mushrooms and all the fixing. We're going to put some lettuce on it, on these sandwiches. We have tomato. So everything tastes better with tomato. So we have our lettuce, there's our tomato. Look at those sandwiches, aren't they big? They have provolone, they have red peppers and orange peppers and purple onion and mushroom, and they have that sirloin steak, thin steak. Really good, tasty meat. We did it on the Blackstone. So we are going to be eating good. We're going to put some avocado because we like our avocado. Here you go. Gonna put that in there. Nice big sandwiches, guys. Really good Philly cheesesteak sandwiches, the way we like it. This is our twist on it. Y'all come and tell us if y'all have eaten this before, if y'all have had, how y'all have had it, how do y'all serve it up. This is the way we serve it up here. Look at that avocado. So welcome everybody. This is our new video. We made some Philly cheesesteak sandwiches for you guys. We're gonna be eating good. We sure do like these sandwiches. Look at the meat on that. Look at that avocado. Some nice sandwiches right there. They're pretty big.
The big.
Big sandwiches. Hey, go big or go hard. Go hard.
Mira.
Look at this. Wow, it's heavy.
Mira este otro.
They're pretty heavy. Look at that. It's fully loaded. That's what you call a loaded sandwich. This is how we do it. Here we go. Look at that. Wow. It's a big sandwich. Now it's time to eat.